Lordship, in this case, Lordship has summoned the district education officer to explain annexure P4 as to how this mark sheet has been issued.
हाँ डीओ साहब देखिए, आपका ये फॉर्मेट ही 2000 में छपा है, 1974 की मार्कशीट इशू हो रही है।
जी सर। सर जी डुप्लीकेट जारी हुई है, लिखा नहीं है उसके ऊपर, क्योंकि ये 74 का मैटर है।
हाँ
सर रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिला है सर
जी,
रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली है कल।
हाँ
कल क्योंकि अवकाश था स्कूलों में।
रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली है।
जी सर, एचएम ने लिख के दिया है कि उनको नहीं दी गई चार्ज में।
हाँ।
क्लास 2 का मैटर है सर जी।
नहीं तो अगर रिजल्ट शीट नहीं मिली तो डुप्लीकेट इशू कैसे हो गई?
जी सर वही तो, कल क्योंकि पूरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं देख पाए सर, मैडम को और समय।
इनका ये कहना है कल छुट्टी थी, इस कारण से ये स्कूल खुलवाया इन्होंने, लेकिन पूरा स्टाफ नहीं आया था और हेडमास्टर थे वहां पे, उन्होंने बताया कि ये रिकॉर्ड उनके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है कि ये किस प्रकार से इशू हुई। इनके पास केवल आज जो लेके आए हैं ये दाखिल खारिज रजिस्टर लेके आए हैं। दाखिल खारिज रजिस्टर में तो सर डेट ऑफ बर्थ इस व्यक्ति की 4/8/66 लिखी हुई है, जो इस मार्कशीट में लिखी है।
बताइए कब का है दाखिल खारिज?
ये दाखिल खारिज कब का है?
जी सर,
ये 72 का है सर। ये फ्लैट
क्या नाम है इनका? बाबूलाल।
बाबूलाल नाम है। और ये तीसरी तक पढ़ा।
गुल प्रसाद,
गुलू प्रसाद प्रजापति,
सॉरी
गुल्लू प्रसाद,
गुल
गुलू
प्रसाद
प्रसाद
गुल।
स्टेट के हिसाब से ये एम्प्लॉयर के हिसाब से कितनी है?
स्टेट के हिसाब से सर सर्विस बुक इनने लगाया हुआ है, उसमें लिखा है 15/11/1963 एट पेज नंबर 10 P2।
10 माइनर अनेक्जर P2 माइनर।
Where is the retirement order? File दाखिला register.
There is no order as such, Lordship. He's saying that in November 2025, as per the date of birth mentioned in the service book, he will be retired in November 2025.
So we'll direct some inquiry. You conduct inquiry whether it was wrongfully entered, because it's not a case of correction. It's a case of rectification of mistake.
Lordship, he was very well aware that his date of birth is mentioned as 15/11/1963.
Clause 84 of your
And
financial
at the-
code bars modification of date of birth, but rectification of mistake is never barred. You suppose he had given some document. He gives class 5th mark sheet. He gives a Janam Patri.
My humble submission is,
And then subsequently he says that no, I am having a second horoscope. Then he cannot get it changed.
my humble submission, he ought to have submitted all these things much prior, Lordship. At the fact, and now he is going to retire in next month, and he is agitating his grievance at this stage, Lordship.
Mr. Singh, once this old record is there, original record is there, how it can be ignored? So the authority will look into it.
Yes,
That on what basis it recorded this date of birth.
Yes,
And if there is no other basis, then they will look into this data register.
Lordship.
If there is some other just and reasoned basis, then this is very well and good. Suppose he has this date of birth in class 10th mark sheet. Then the matter ends.
Because it's a class class 2 mark sheet.
Class 10th mark sheet में अगर कोई और date of birth है तो फिर वो मान्य होगी.
Yes,
But if there is no other basis and this is the data register,
yes, Lord. And that too 30 years, more than 30 years old.
और डीओ सब लेकर आए हैं इसको,
जी
सेंसिटिविटी और बढ़ जाती है इसकी.
जी
30 नहीं 50 साल 51 साल पुराना है.
51 साल।
चलिए इसमें लिखिए, by your present petition the petitioner is aggrieved by the anticipated action. नहीं, इसमें सबसे ऊपर लिखिए in terms of order dated 6/10/2025 श्री, आपका शुभ नाम क्या है?
राजकुमार बधान।
राजकुमार बघेल,
बधान, BHN बधान।
श्री राजकुमार प्रधान District Education Officer Jabalpur.
इंचार्ज
इंचार्ज
District Education Officer in charge Jabalpur is personally present.
नाम
Point. Yes.
नाम लिख दीजिए अपना.
He stated that upon verification of the available record in the school, he could get hold of scholar register of the school in original prepared in July 1972, and as per entry number 624 in the said original scholar register, the name of petitioner is mentioned with date of birth 4/8/1966 that matches with the certificate issued by the institution by annexure P5. So also the date of birth mentioned in the mark sheet annexure P4. Point. It is further contended that the mark sheet annexure P4 appears to be a duplicate mark sheet issued at a later date, though it appears that erroneously the word duplicate, inward comma duplicate, has not been written, has not been superscribed on the said mark sheet. Point. However, due to paucity of time, the relevant record backing the said mark sheet could not be traced out by him, but the scholar register could be traced out, and in the scholar register, the date of birth has been mentioned as 4/8/1966. Next. The submission of the district education officer is taken on record, and original scholar register is produced. Next. The petitioner is produced and returned back to Shri Pradhan. Next. The petitioner is aggrieved by the anticipated action of the respondents in retiring him on 30/11/2025, holding his date of birth to be 15/11/1963. Point. It is the grievance of the petitioner that there is no just or rational basis for mentioning this date of birth in the service book. किस पोस्ट पर हैं आप? किस पोस्ट पर हैं?
लेबर
Since the petitioner
अनस्किल्ड लेबर
is a unskilled laborer, due to lack of awareness, he has now come to know that he is being retired on 30/11/2025 on the basis of date of birth recorded in the service book as 15/11/1963. That does not have any does not have any basis at all. Next. The counsel for the state in his turn submits that it is settled in law that date of birth cannot be corrected at the fag end of service of the employee, and date of birth once recorded and accepted by the competent authority becomes final, and the law in that regard is well settled. Point.